As a person writing JAMB and an art student writing government, let us continue from where we stopped in part 4. You know that what you are watching now is part 5 of our series on government. Government is so important and is so crucial. In part 4, I gave you number 10 as an assignment, and I told you that when we come back in part 5, we will continue from where we stopped. Critics, I need you to pay attention. Just give me your attention. Anything distracting you now is your enemy. Forget about any distraction and let's focus our attention here. Criticisms of the civil service do not include A. Secrecy, B. Red tape, C. Strict adherence to rules, D. Openness. Criticisms of the civil service do not include A. Secrecy, B. Red tape, C. Strict. This is not red tape, it's red tape, it's just a typographical error. Strict adherence to rules, D. Openness. The criticism to the civil service is it does not include openness. We do not criticize them for being open. Okay? Question number 11. I hope you are here with me. Are you following? Are you following? If you are following, let me know. Proportional representation favors dash. You know there are certain kinds of representation, okay? Then we're looking at proportional representation. Proportional representation favors dash. A. Multi-party system. B. Three-party system. C. Two-party system. D. One-party system. When it comes to proportional representation, it favors multi-party system. Multi-party system. So that they will say, okay, let's get representation from here, from this party, from this party, from this party, to ensure that there's proportional representation, to ensure that each camp are well represented. Do you understand? So proportional representation favors multi-party system. I need you to know that beyond this part 5 you are watching, we started a journey in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and here is part 5. After part 5, there will also be part 6, part 7, and all the rest. If I were you, after watching this part 5, I will go back and start with part 1. Watch it many times, watch part 2 many times, watch part 3, just with your pen and your paper. Okay? With your pen and it's not what you will watch once and go and sleep. You need to watch it over and over again. If you want me to give you access to all the videos we've done on government, just tell me in the comment section. Just tell me, sir, please give me access to all the videos you've done on government, and I could share them with you for you to read up. Also, here we have multi-party system, three-party system, two-party system, one-party system. I want you to please go to your textbook and read them up. Read up everything you can about the different party systems. Okay? Question number 12. Are you still following? One major factor that differentiates the presidential system of government from the parliamentary system of government is dash. One major factor that differentiates the presidential system of government from the parliamentary system of government is dash. A. Separation of power. B. Judicial independence. C. Passage of bills. D. Party system. One major factor that differentiates the presidential system of government from parliamentary is, the answer is A. The answer is separation of power. Now, in part 4, I think I have explained separation of power. But then I want you, as an assignment number 1, come under the comment section and tell me, just explain separation of power. Explain everything you know about separation of power. Read it up and explain. I noticed that sometimes when I give assignment, some of you will go to ChatGPT and ask, then copy the answer and come and paste for me as the answer. No, I need you to go to your textbook. Even if you ask Google, even if you ask ChatGPT, even if you ask AI, I need you on your own to put it in your own words. Give it your own understanding, right? Because the main reason why I give the assignment is for you to really understand. I will not be with you in the exam hall, okay? So you need to read, understand it in your own way, so that any way that JAMB twists it, these are past questions I'm giving you, but JAMB often repeats the question. Any way they come and twist the question, If you understand the concept, you will be able to answer. A special election organized to decide on a political issue is known as dash. A special election organized to decide a political issue is known as dash. A. Plebiscite. B. By-election. C. General election. D. Primary election. A special election, this one is not like any kind of election. General election involves everybody, right? Okay. A special election organized by to decide a political issue is called plebiscite. 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 I need you to pay attention and note it. Now I have an assignment for you. Tell me the difference between by-election and primary election. Tell me, this is assignment number 2 I'm giving you. Tell me the difference between by-elections and primary election. Are you still here with me? Remember that if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus. If you have not gotten it, let me know. But it is for those that watch this particular video from beginning to the end. If you watch this very video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus for those that watch to the end. You need those things as tools in your preparation. Okay, I often encourage you, don't just depend only on the lessons I give you. Why it is important for you to watch these videos, I also want you to use my videos as a catalyst to now go and read up on your own. Which of these was the main organ of the defunct OAU? I would have told you the full meaning of OAU. Okay, let me just say Organization of African Unity. OAU. Which of these was the non-defunct? By the time when they say defunct, it means that it's no longer existing. It is no longer existing. It was existing, but it's no longer existing. Which of these was the main organ of the defunct OAU? A. The Liberation Committee. B. The Council of Ministers. C. The Commission of Mediation, Conciliation and Arbitration. D. The Assembly of Heads of State and Government. Which of these was the main organ of the defunct AOU, the Liberation Committee, the Council of Ministers, the Commission of Mediation, Conciliation and Arbitration, the Assembly of Heads of States? From this, you should already know the Assembly of Heads of State. That is the Assembly of the Presidents of different African countries. That is the highest, the main organ of OAU. Even though OAU is now defunct, it's no longer existing, but JAMB will say ask you questions concerning it. Remember that there's a video I did on 15 topics JAMB will select questions from in this year's JAMB exam. 15 topics JAMB will select questions from in this year's JAMB exam. If you have not watched it and you need me to give it to you, also let me know. Fascism. Fascism originated from dash. Fascism originated from dash. A. Greece. B. Italy. C. China. D. Germany. Fascism originated from dash. A. Greece. B. Italy. C. China. D. Germany. What is the answer? By the way, what is fascism? It's an assignment for you. I want you to go over and make your research. This assignment number 3. And tell me the meaning of fascism in the comment section. But the answer here, fascism actually originated in Italy. Fascism originated where? In Italy. In Italy. In Italy. So tell me the meaning. Just define fascism. You know we have different forms of leadership. We have government. We have totalitarianism. We have socialism. We have fascism. We have socialism. We have democracy and a lot of them. Okay? So remember, the assignments I give you are not for fancy. I give you assignments because you are preparing for an exam. What you are watching, you are not watching a Nollywood movie, no. You are watching something connected to your destiny. And by the way, the essence of these videos is for you to prepare yourself. It's for you to get set, get ready for your exam. We are saying and we decree in this channel that you will gain admission this year by merit. You will gain admission into that university that you want, and to study that course you want. They will not give you any kind of mojo course. It will be what you desire that they will give you. So I need you to be more serious, okay? This year you will score high in your JAMB. I want you to claim it. You will score 300 and above. You will not be among those that will score 120, 130. No. In this channel, the least any member of this channel can score is 300. So we are targeting 300 and above. So I want you to claim it in the comment section that you will be among those that will smile this year. Claim it in the comment section. The NCNC sent a delegation to London to protest against the dash. Tell me the full meaning of NCNC in the comment section. If you have been conversant with your government textbook, you should know the full meaning. These were defunct political parties in Nigeria. The NCNC sent a delegation to London to protest against the dash. A. Republican Constitution. B. Richard's Constitution. C. Littleton Constitution. D. Macpherson Constitution. The answer is Richard's Constitution. Now, I need you to please study constitutions. What is a constitution? That is assignment number 4. Assignment number 4. Define constitution. If I were you, I will also go over to my textbook and read up everything I can find on these different kinds of constitution. Republican Constitution, Richard's Constitution, Littleton Constitution, and Macpherson Constitution. So go and read up. Go and read up. So NCNC sent a delegation to protest against the Littleton Constitution. The answer is C. Against the Littleton Constitution. I hope you are still here. No, sorry. The answer is B. Against Richard's Constitution. The NCNC sent a delegation to London to protest against Richard's Constitution. I'm sorry for the mistake. Now let's move on. Under the 1973 Republican Constitution, you know, Nigeria became a republic in 1963. We became an independent country in 1960, October 1st. But we weren't yet a republic. It was in October 1st, 1963, 3 years later, that we become a republic. Under the 1963 Republican Constitution, the president exercised dash. A. Judicial power. B. Executive power. C. Nominal power. D. Concurrent power. Under the 1963 Republican Constitution, the president actually exercised nominal powers. Just go. I don't want to explain everything. I need you to also read on your own, because I will not be with you inside your JAMB hall. It is your preparation before the exam that determines if you can score what you claimed. Let's look at question number 18. Number 18, the first black African state to gain political independence from a colonial power was dash. The first country in Africa, which one was the first to gain independence? Is it Nigeria? Is it Liberia? Is it Ghana? Is it Ethiopia? The first black African state to gain political independence from a colonial power. I won't answer this. I'm giving it to you as an assignment. Tell me the answer in the comment section. Is it Nigeria? Is it Liberia? Is it Ghana? And when you tell me the year they got the independence. Okay? Now let's proceed. Question number 19. In federal constitution, pay attention. In federal constitution, legislative power that are shared by two levels are reversed to as dash. In federal constitution, legislative power that are shared by two levels are referred to as that A. Exclusive. B. Extraordinary. C. Residual. D. Concurrent. In federal constitution, legislative powers that are shared by two levels are referred to as dash. Question number 19. The answer is they are referred to as concurrent. You know that's why you often hear exclusive list and concurrent list. Those ones that are in exclusive list can only be exercised by the federal government, right? But like Nigerian police is under the federal government. But those ones that are under the concurrent list can be exercised both by the federal government and the state government. I hope you are following. Question number 20. in the Igbo political system, in the Igbo political system, the most senior member of the Council of Elders is the dash. In the Igbo political system, the most senior member, are you Igbo? I want you to even tell me your tribe. In the Igbo political system, the most senior member of the Council of Elders is the dash. A. Okpara, B. Obi, C. Eze, D. Ofo. In the Igbo political system, the most senior member of the Council of Elders is the dash. Let me know if I wanted not to answer this question, but I already know that many of us are Yoruba, some are Hausa watching this channel, some are Christians, Muslims, so not everybody is Igbo. So the answer is Okpara. The Okpara, that is eldest man, is the most senior member in the Igbo political system. Do you understand? This now you watch is part 5. In part 6, we will continue from where we stop. Now, what I want you to do to ensure you submit the assignment, to get those materials, free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus, just do 4 things. Number 1 is composing. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. Join our YouTube channel. That one is compulsory. When you join, you will be able to ask me your questions. You'll be able to talk to me directly, or I and my team will be guiding you until you write your exams, right? Then number 2 is to like this video. Go ahead and join. Don't stop postponing it. Join right now. Then like this video. It's very important. Then share this video. How do you share? Click on share here on YouTube. Share it here on YouTube. Then click on share. Copy the link. Share the link on WhatsApp groups. Share it on Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Telegram channels. Share it to all your classmate group, all your friends. Ensure they get the link. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Remember, the compulsory one is to join. Once you join, then like, share, and subscribe. Once you do these things, just drop a comment in the comment of this video. Type, I have subscribed. Just type, I have subscribed. Once I see you type, I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all those materials that you need. There is a very, very important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Just click on it and watch now.